Well, there's no end to the Aghadi's alliance wars, and the biggest sticking points are Sangli and the Mumbai South Central seat. Yesterday, the Congress Party's MLA Vishwajit Kadam urged the Mahavikas Aghadi to revisit the decision on allotting the Sangli Lok Sabha seat to the Uddhav Thackeray-led Shiv Sena UBT faction, calling the region a bastion of his party. Kadam said that Sangli region has been a Congress bastion since independence and that his party must ensure that Sangli remains with the party. He is batting for Vitsal Patel, who will be fighting from here. Sources say that the Congress party leaders in Sangli are also mulling to contest as independents by taking Prakash Ambedkar's support. The Congress Sangli workers have proposed Vishal Patel's candidature, but the MVA has decided to stick with Uddhav Thackeray's candidate, Chandrahar Patil. A day after it was announced that Uddhav Thackeray-led Shiv Sena faction will contest from the Sangli Lok Sabha seat, the Congress leader and former Union Minister Pratik Patil met the VBA chief Prakash Ambedkar on Wednesday. Prakash Ambedkar has proposed the Patil family to be contesting from there, but Patil family has requested Ambedkar's support if they contest as independents.
ठीक आहे, तिथे परंपरेनं काँग्रेस तिथे काम करते आहे. वसंतदादा पाटील असतील किंवा अन्य सगळे प्रमुख नेते सांगलीमध्ये वर्षानुवर्ष काम करतायत. आम्हाला त्यांच्याविषयी आदर आहे. पण आज परिस्थिती वेगळी आहे. आज परिस्थिती अशी आहे की यांच्याशी मुकाबला करायचा असेल या शक्तींशी तर तिथे शिवसेना हवी आणि म्हणून डबल महाराष्ट्र केसरी चंद्रहार पाटील आणि त्यांच्या मागे शिवसेना उभी आहे.
आणि काल ही बातमी जेव्हा सांगली जिल्ह्यात आणि आम्हा सर्व काँग्रेस पक्षाच्या नेत्यांना कार्यकर्त्यांना कळली कानावर आली तर ती काही सहजासहजी आम्हाला पचनी पडली नाही. आणि म्हणून येणाऱ्या दिवसांमध्ये आम्ही काँग्रेस पक्षाच्या सर्व घटक कार्यकर्त्यांची चर्चा करणार आहोत. त्यांच्या भावना जाणून घेणार आहोत. आम्ही एकमेकांना धीर देऊन एकमेकांची समजूत काढण्याचा प्रयत्न करणार आहोत आणि ह्यातनं एक सकारात्मक असा मार्ग कसा निघेल ह्यासाठी आज या क्षणाला आणि येणाऱ्या काळात आम्ही काँग्रेस पक्षाचे कार्यकर्ते म्हणून आशा धरून आम्ही प्रयत्न करणार आहोत. आणि याच्यासाठी महाविकास आघाडीने ह्या बाबतीतला एक पुनर्विचार करावा.
Could turn out to be a setback for the MVA. This comes at a time when discussions had been taking place over the last several weeks, after which a consensus has finally been reached. But even after that consensus, some chaos on ground continues because the Congress workers, the Congress local leaders are not happy with the decision that has been taken. In fact, sources also suggesting that the Maharashtra Congress unit was also not happy with the way the discussions went with Sangli seat being ceded. But it was a high command that intervened and the Congress High Command was ready to give up the seat. Many of the Congress leaders believe that too many compromises have been made by the Congress leaders and some of the strongholds of the party have also been ceded in this alliance.